This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below.
Morning guys, November 19th, 2018. This one here, I gotta go change a gas water heater. Lady called me over the weekend and things are leaking. So I'm on my way over there now and see what's going on. Said it's into a chimney, so it's probably a 40-gallon natural gas into the chimney. We'll see when we get there. This is the one that's coming out. I got a shorter one. That's a taller tank. I did shut it off, and I did drain it. Well, I went to go get the other tank. Alright guys, I got the tank in there. I cut that relief down a little bit. Screw that in. I screwed in the gas pipe and it just went directly back in there. Now I gotta work the top piping. I did put it up on them little blocks. Gotta solder some fittings here. Tank T for the vacuum breaker. That's that lead-free stuff. Doesn't solder the greatest. Yeah, right around 3 inches, I guess. Something like that. The other one's going to be a 3/4 female. Quarter female. Teflon and pipe dope on it. That's what I like to do, both. Teflon. On these joints, I like to use both Teflon and pipe dope. Just for shits and giggles. You don't want no leakers on the top of the tank. I mean, it's a pain to take it all apart again. There's little check valves in there. You gotta leave them in there. Just for shits and giggles. That kind of sets it in place, the rag. And we'll put our pieces on there. We'll have to get a measurement on this top one here. You want to tighten these up good so they don't leak, that's for sure. One more time, so I'm going to hit that. When in doubt, go around again. See the little check valves, so we're going to stay in there. The little check valves, see them? You should leave them in there. You shouldn't take them out. I leave them in there. They belong in there, so. You want to be tight. You don't want to be loose. Then she'll leak. Make them tight. Alright. Guys, I gotta solder up this elbow. That elbow and a coupling. And then just come straight up to another coupling. And then screw the smoke pipe together. I'll try to get you some shots here if I can. tip needs a cleaning. Tip needs a cleaning. Alright, let it cool and then we'll turn it on, see if we get any leaks. I gotta screw the smoke pipe together. Just let it cool for a bit. We'll screw the smoke pipe together. For now, wipe everything down. A lot of pressure here. That's the only time I'll open this up, when I'm first doing the initial fill. We have to bleed this too. I usually put my screwdriver in there. She did say she had a lot of pressure here. I usually put my screwdriver in there to give it some gas. And we'll start it. I did screw all the smoke pipe in, three screws per joint. It's the only time I'll ever open that when it's new. It's the only time. So definitely got a lot of pressure here. The old Gandhi. I don't see any leaks. Well, that's good. Just go up and we'll bleed the tub, bleed the air out of the tub, and no leaks. Alright, I put a seal detector right here by the door. The unit's right there, so it'll be cover me. Oh yeah, Mrs. Molly! That's my buddy, Miss Molly. Oh yeah, you gonna do the dance? You been sleeping? Looks like you've been sleeping there. Yeah, it looks like you've been sleeping.